Here's a 3 moving average crossover point right here. I'm going to talk about how to use this in a trading robot or MQL4 EA. I'm going to show you guys how to program this from start to beginning. And let's begin. So first up, have your terminal open. Second thing, go to your metaquotes. Go to new. Go to expert advisor. We're going to call this simple or 3 simple MAs. So this is very easy. It's going to be for beginners, guys. So we'll start off going to the ontick. And once there, we're going to create our moving averages. Now, if you need to find out how to create a moving average, I have other videos based on this. You can see in the playlist. But I'm going to start off with doing this. We use it as a double. And if you don't know what a double is, check out the previous videos. There's things that cover this. But a double basically gives us a non-whole number. We're going to call this moving average slow. It goes IMA. We use null. Time frame 0. Our period, we're going to use this 100. Our shift will be 0. Our enum, once again 0. Our applied price and our shift will be 0. Now, if we want to break down what this means entirely, we go to our reference right here. And the reference will break down what we just did. We did an enum for the moving average. So we did 0, which is simple moving average. So we can change it to mode SMA. And the last line is off the close price, but since it's off the since it's the close on the 0 on the current candle, it's be off the close. So what we can do is go back and delete these. And we can do this right here. Simple moving average and also price close. Now we have to create our medium one, and we're going to just copy the same information but just change the name. And we're going to change the period, so basically at the amount of candles it covers, to 20, or we say 25. And we're going to do the exact same thing again, but this one's going to be fast. Now you guys can change these values to anything you want, but for this video example, we're going to use these 3. And we're going to create a bool. And we're going to be looking for this setup here, where the fast is above the medium and the slow is under all of them. Okay. Once we get that pattern, so we're going to be like this moving average pass. So once we have the slow is greater than the medium, and let's try the medium is greater than the slow. I'm sorry, I messed up. The fast is greater than the medium is greater than the slow. Let's make this add 2. And the fast is greater than the slow. Actually, sorry, it should be given right here. So we have our fast is greater than the medium. Check. And this is double N, and our medium is greater than our slow. Okay. That should cover it pretty easily. Our next thing you do are going to be our if sign. And we're going to go orders total. We're going to orders total. We're going to verify if it equals 0. And we're going to double check for our next thing right over here will be MA pass. Oops, sorry. Equals true. And if this is true, what will happen is we'll do an int for a buy order, I would do order send. Ooh. Once we do that, we'll do our null, our int. So basically, what type of order? We go op buy. We're going to do a volume of 0.01. We're going to enter off the ask price. Our slippage would just be 10. Our stop loss would be the ask minus, let's say, 100 pips. And we're going to be using pound yen as an example for 100 pips. And if you're using a different currency pair, make sure you formulate it correctly so you don't have an issue. Our take profit will be, let's say, 400 pips. Our comment will be null. Our magic number will be 0. Expiration 0. And our color will be CLR, Alice Blue. And yeah, that's it. So we already got our basic simple moving average cross where we're using three, a slow, a medium, and a fast, okay? We hit compile to see if it works, and we go back to our terminal right here, and we're going to use pound yen. Once we have our pound yen, it's called 3 simple moving average. Alright, let's run the code. Hit start. Now, it's not designed to make money, guys. To show you how to use 3 simple moving averages and when they cross over. And you guys can do it when they always have this form, or you guys can actually do a whole crossing pattern. And if you guys like, let me know. I can do that in a separate video. But this is basically when you get the indication when we have the fast, medium, and slow in that pattern. And once it runs, we'll see it take trades and if we want to exit. So let me slow it down a little bit for you. And yes, we're on the 15-minute. So you guys can change your time frame if you like. We can go to the hour. And it'd be a little bit easier. And if you guys can see, the moving averages are already on there. Okay. So we'll try it again. We're on the 1 hour. Now the dates are up to you guys. You can pick your dates. Basically, there'll be a difference on there. Just make sure you get your target profit and stop loss fixed if you guys change the currency pairs. And if you guys need the code, we'll be on my website. But we're going to let this run and see it again. But we're going to slow it down just a little bit. And go to the MQL4 on my website and to learn more about the other programs. And yeah, subscribe to the channel, like the video, drop a comment if you like. And yeah, we'll let this run. Another thing you guys can do is add a trailing stop loss to make this even more efficient, since it's such so much room happening. So we entered in our trade since our indication. Let me show you guys over here. If you guys want to change your screen color, just hit F8. You guys can change the screen color, and you guys can go to candlesticks if you like. Yes, you find that easier. You see our stop losses right here. Take profits up here. And we'll see what happens. So it's just going to be hovering until either hits a stop loss or take profit. And then it will enter again once it crosses over. And once our indication right here. And then I'll show you the moving averages once the program stops, and you guys get a clear indication of that actually happening. But this is a very simple, easy way for beginners, guys. Now, it's not designed to make money, but it is designed to show you how to use simple moving averages. So we hit stop, and we look at our entry over here. See? Our fast is above our medium and our slow, so we enter right there. Now, if we had a trailing stop, see? Same exact thing pattern. You get a trailing stop, or you exit off of your exit indications. It could have been better trades, but just show you how to use a 3 simple moving average cross. and for beginners. And if any questions or comments, let me know. Subscribe to the channel once again, like the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.